Hello, 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 kindred family. It's me. My name is Cassandra Lee. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So this is just how I typically do my washing routine. I love to use apple cider vinegar and water. It's just a natural way that I really resonate with for my hair. I love the apple cider vinegar just because it helps with cleaning the hair without being too harsh, but also it's natural and it is a antifungal. So if you have anything with your scalp to where it's itchy and dry and irritated, then the apple cider vinegar will help you with relieving some of those symptoms. So throughout the video, I'm just going to be detangling my hair with my hands and spraying this into my hair, and that'll be it.
Keep pushing you away while I want you to stay. Amazing gold is eyes, but my heart still beats. When I say no, it's yes. I'm putting you to the test. Can you handle me? Do you have the key? Sorry that I've been playing games. Do you really have what it takes? I guess so, I guess so. I guess so, I guess so. I am a queen, I need my king. Are you bad enough to sin? I think so, I think so. I think so, I think so. Okay, let me just be honest with you. I want you. And okay, I've been running circles all the time, but I want you. I think so.